So guys, a brand new video on the channel once again, and yes, something different today. Now this video was actually requested by Wolf Gamer Plays from one of my previous videos about a week ago on how do I grow my channel faster. So here we go guys, let's get right into it. Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button for me. Thank you guys so very much. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So yeah guys, today we're gonna go ahead and actually do a channel audit, I guess you could say, on Wolf Gamer Plays. We're gonna go ahead and check out his channel and see what we can actually improve on it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right onto my computer screen. Let's go. So the first thing I would do guys to improve this channel, just to start right off the bat, is to actually go ahead and change the banner art. Maybe go ahead and add in your actual channel name in there. That way you can brand it better. And yeah, that's really simple. Same thing with the profile picture. I would actually go ahead and make like bigger text, because Wolf Gamer Plays, yes, I can read that, but it is a bit small. Jamming all your letters together into one profile picture is not the best idea. So maybe go ahead, put WGP or something, I don't know. You guys could also create a logo, so you guys could go ahead and do the same thing. I don't know if you guys are on a YouTube channel or not. Maybe there's only one viewer on here right now, which could be Wolf Gamer Plays or not, and I'm just making this video for no reason. Okay guys, so moving on to the videos, we have a bunch of videos. I can see you actually upload quite consistently, which is good. That's a really good thing. I have trouble of doing that myself. Sorry, I'm deleting my channel, bro. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's see what this is about.
I have to delete my YouTube channel. Like, I've been going low on subscribers, and my friend, Party_Penguin, he only joined in February 2019. He already has 212, and I make better content.
Alright guys, so hold up really quickly. Comment of the day goes out to Chunka. I think that's how I say it. And Chunka says, "This a bot," which is a reply to Tom, who said, "Great video, I really liked it." Well, thanks for that. I guess only bots like to watch my content. Okay, no offense Chunka, I was just messing around. Either way, Chunka, you got the comment of the day for this video. So remember guys, if you want to go ahead and get featured on the next comment of the day, go ahead, drop your comment down below. It can be anything, whatever. You guys can say whatever crap you want, and maybe you'll get selected. So yeah guys, that is comment of the day. Let's jump right back into today's video. Let's go. Okay, so let's actually go ahead and check out one of your newer videos. I won't streaming till I hit 175 subs. So it's a view counter of how many subscribers you have, which is fine, but I don't think people are gonna sit here for an hour till yeah. Okay, let's see what else we got. So the second most newest video, we got Bloxburg House Tour. Let's check it out.
Hey guys, it's your boy Wolf Gamer Plays here back with another video. So today,
what? Oh wait, let's replay that again.
hey guys, it's your boy Wolf Gamer Plays here back with another video. So today we're going to be doing a Bloxburg house tour. So
obviously speak a little slower maybe, so that we can understand what you're trying to say, and also maybe readjust your mic so that it's, you know, picking up your audio better. Yeah, let's keep going. Also, another tip is that yes, you want to put out more videos consistently, which you have been doing. So one thing that's good about this channel so far that I've seen is that you've been uploading really consistently. You can see one day ago, 3 days, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week. So as you guys can see, you get the point. This guy really does upload quite a bit every single day, multiple times a day sometimes, and that is really good, dude, because the more you upload, the more chances you will have of blowing up or having a video going viral, which would be really good for your channel. However, I want to just stress one thing. You might want to spend more time tagging your videos, editing your thumbnails, editing the actual video itself, and creating the content, because you could have so many videos, but if they were all like mediocre / cringy videos, my bad, but yeah, nobody would actually go ahead and subscribe. So make sure you guys have a balanced channel. You don't want to go full on like uploading every single day, but have all the videos like unedited and raw footage and just like kind of boring. but at the same time you don't want to upload one amazing video and just like spend days and months on it, then get 0 views on it, because that would really suck. So you have to really find a balance. Maybe upload 1 or 2 times a week, and then spend the rest of your time researching tags. Go ahead and get your thumbnails all together. Fix up that banner, by the way. Yeah, you should probably find some time for that. Also, another tip for you guys, it applies for everybody. Like, if you guys go ahead and add in like slight edits, like boom, doesn't that get your attention? Also, slight edits meaning like zooms, for example, like this, right? You could just do silly things, or like warp your face like this, right? Or, you know, you get the point, right? So just small little edits like that will keep your viewers entertained, and they'll stay on your video for a little longer, which may result in a subscribe. So just keep up what you're doing. I'll throw up a summary of what we just spoke about right now on the screen, and you can read through that if you want. It applies to pretty much all channels somewhat. This video was more directed towards Wolf Gamer Plays. And so if you guys do enjoy this type of video or content, go ahead, leave a like, drop a comment down below, and maybe I'll actually audit your channel as well. I don't know, if you guys want that, I can go ahead and do that. This could be a new series on the channel. I don't know. It's up to you guys. So if you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead, click that beautiful big red button, subscribe to the channel, and join the squad. I don't know, that's kind of cringy. What did he say before? Join the
Wolf team.
Yeah, do that, guys. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, thank you guys so very much for watching. Peace out for now, guys.
Hey guys, boy, it's a boy. Yeah, it's a boy. Join the Wolf team. Boy, it's the Wolf team, guys. Join it, join the Wolf team. Join the Wolf team. If you join the Wolf team, we will get $2 stickers. Anyways, join the Wolf team. Join the Wolf team. You will literally kill it.